you're on the air now.
Hey, does anybody want to know how to make muscadine jam? Of course, you may not know what muscadines are. They're grapes. They grow out in my backyard. And you have to pick them and wash them. And then you have to sit down for a whole day and take each grape and smash the inside out into another bowl.
And then what do you do
then
next?
then you cook the seeds with the pulp in it, and you strain that. And you take your skins and you take them and put them in the blender, and just put it on where you just put it on high. Just turn it up and cut it off and turn it up and cut it off so it'll just jump up and down. But you don't get them all cut up, all the pieces. And then you get your jars ready and your lids ready and your rings ready. And you start cooking it like this, see? Here comes show them how it's boiling. See, it's boiling, but you test it like this and it comes off in 2 sheets and they go together. Then it's got to the gelling point, and that's a pretty good ways off yet. See there. You don't have to stir it all the time though. That mixes too much air in it. So you don't want it to evaporate no more than it has to. So you talk to Judy some now.
Okay.
She's at behind the line there.
I'm behind the scenes, so I'll show you a picture in a minute of the finish when we get it in the jars. All right. So
Oh,
say
are you
bye for
finishing?
now. Bye for now.
Bye.